had decided that I wanted to take down a partial freestanding wall that took up, 5 inches of our living room just about, thick-wise, and then it didn't go to the ceiling, the top wasn't finished, and it was supposed to be a temporary wall so I wanted to take the wall down to open back up, some flow throughout the house. And it got drywall dust ground into the floor and more new scratches. And so then I decided it was a great opportunity to sand that part of the floor. The floor is it's 2 rooms, and there's 3 sections of floor that are all that same kind. But then there's a different kind of floor that frames that part of the floor. I couldn't find my paper because it's very old and it's gotten moved. So I'm gonna do cat-cow pose now. That was the mountain prayer pose before. And then on the way to the store to find supplies to do this project, to do this sanding, there was a sale, a yard sale, and I've been looking for a different cabinet for my kitchen. The sanding project I thought I could do in a day, and then I thought I could do like the staining and the finishing in another day and be done with it all in a weekend. Didn't happen. It was over a week. I was just editing my video. I have no idea. I was telling something and I was trying to just edit out like 5 seconds, and I edited out 2 whole poses. So whatever I was talking about, you're not gonna know the rest of it. Other than I did too many things all in a short amount of time. One thing led to the other and they all needed to get done. But it distracted me from doing yoga, and it's no excuse. I used it as an excuse. And I'm getting back on. Prayer, reverse prayer. I really want to finish this challenge strong, even though I have totally not done it perfectly, right? And I want to finish it.